welcome back to Purelottie. So today's video is another installment in my series of supporting local small businesses. So if you want to see what I've got today, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So super briefly before we jump into today's video, I have actually pre-filmed this video already. Unfortunately, my SD card got corrupted and I couldn't save the footage, so I'm having to refilm this. So some of the things have been opened and obviously shown on camera. Thankfully, I hadn't burnt any of the candles yet. So today's brand is called KC Candle Creations. Now, she is a small Australian business. It is coming from Queensland, and I couldn't wait to support this one. I absolutely love candles, so this is right up my alley. So I have, when I say huge box of items here. So I'm going to go through all the items with you today. Now, just briefly as well, because I did pre-film this already, I actually pre-filmed this back in April when it was Easter time. So some of the items are Easter themed, but I've only just got around to actually refilming and uploading this video. So I do apologize, but it does show what cute items she does for like celebrations and things. Can't wait to see what she's got coming for Christmas and stuff. So let's jump in and have a look what I picked up. So first up in the box, I did get a little business card here. So her website is KC, so K for Kilo, C for Charlie, candlecreations.com. So it is hand poured with love and her name is Kylie. Then I do have a little card here for the reed diffuser care, and I also have another one here for the candle care. So it basically gives you all the instructions on the reed diffusers and the candles just to make sure you get the most out of them. So we're going to jump into the wax melts first, just because the candles is what's going to get me the most excited. So first up, I've got these little Easter egg wax melts. As a little thank you. So really cute. They're different like scents and stuff in there, but they have like little bunny rabbits and little Easter egg patterns on there. Really adorable. Not sure if you're able to see that completely. I did also pick up 2 packs of the wax melts. Now I do have a wax burner. I actually have 2 of them. So I've currently got one in the room that we have the kids in, so I will probably pop them on in there for them. So the first one I've got is this cube wax melt in an aqua colour, and I chose the scent Monkey Farts. I mean, I just want to be able to say that, so of course I had to get that scent, right? So I've looked it up here and it basically says it's a bestseller in the US. It's a unique candle fragrance oil that is a citrus blend that starts with a subtle base of vanilla, then layered with fresh kiwi fruit, mango and bubblegum, finished off with top notes of grapefruit, banana and fresh strawberries. I mean, who can't go past that? That sounds delicious. It sounds edible. So this was the very first one I picked up. Then the second one I picked up is the heart melts. So this is in shapes of hearts, and this is in Maui pineapple. So this one is a lovely fruity green fragrance, fresh and uplifting. If you like pineapple, you're going to love this one. So this one sounds pretty good as well, and it smells really delicious. Definitely like pineapple. It smells like tropical. I really like it. So next up I'm going to do the reed diffuser. So this one here is pineapple mango reed diffuser. Now all of the packaging and everything of these is absolutely spectacular. So this is what it actually looks like. It's like a pearlescent sort of white colour, and then you have your little sticks that you put in the top obviously, and I can smell it from here. I can smell more mango, I think, than pineapple, but it smells really nice. So I'm really excited to use this, and I mean, it would make even just a cute decor piece, even if it didn't smell good. So that one came in the packaging like this. So next up I brought a mystery fragrance pack. So this was a 3-pack of candles that are mystery fragrances, just so you can try out some different ones to see if you like them before you purchase the big sizes. So it came in a little box like this, and it is magneted closed, and then inside is 3 little candles here. Let's make sure we don't lose one. It looks like that. Super cute. So we have a silver one, a white one, and a pink one. So let's pull them out and have a look. So this one is, I think, in the scent 50 Shades of Summer. I can't find the notes on their website, but if I do find them, I will add them to the screen for you. But it's just a cute little sample one. Then the next one is a white one. So this one is Japanese honeysuckle. It is a sweet flowering vine and is one of the most loved floral scents. I'm not a huge floral fan, but it does smell quite nice. So it's just a little white one. And the last one in this pack is a really pretty pink one. We all know I love my pinks, so I'm excited about this one. Okay, and this pink one is in lemon meringue pie. I can't find the notes on this one again, but I will add them to the screen if I do find them. And again, it's a really hot pink, so really, really pretty. But a good way to just work out if you like some scents before you purchase the big ones. Alternatively, this would be a really cute gift set as well. So it just comes in a really nice, you know, box, and really, really cute as a gift. So I really like that. Let's jump onto the bigger candles. So the first one I have here is in this big white box, and it is Hawaiian Breeze, which is a tropical outdoor blend with fruit notes of orange, pineapple, peach, and strawberry, combined with light floral nuances of jasmine and lavender. And these ones, get ready to be surprised. They're amazing. Just trying to be really careful here so I don't break it. It does have some bubble wrap in between the candle and the lid so that it didn't get broken. So this is the actual candle. Really, really pretty. And all these candles are soy wax candles. It does have a double burner, and then it has this really cute lid on top. And I mean, this would be a really cute decor piece even if it wasn't a candle. I absolutely love this. So yeah, and it smells absolutely amazing. I really, really like this one. Okay, next up I have this matte black packaging here. This one is Redskin Lollies, which just sounds delicious. It is a classic childhood combo of strawberry, raspberry, and vanilla. I mean, who doesn't like those scents? So this one actually lifts up. It does magnet close again, so it'll be really cute as a gift as well. And then let's pull her out. So this one is a really pretty matte black jar, and it has like this rose gold little lid on top, which I normally just pop underneath when I'm burning them, just like that. Really, really adorable. Again, it is a double burner. Oh, yum. Oh, edible. Very, very edible. That smells delicious. This one is a 400ml candle as well, and I can't wait to start burning this one. Okay, next one I've got here is coconut and lime, and it comes in this really cute like blush sort of colour. Now this one just lifts off at the top there, and this one is in the scent coconut and lime. And again, the jar of this is absolutely amazing. So this is what it looks like. It's like an ombre sort of colour from like a blush sort of pink to a white. Absolutely stunning. This one is a single burner. This one was in coconut and lime, which is the ultimate refresher. It is a tantalizing fusion of fresh coconut and lime, an invigorating verbena, soothed by luscious vanilla, an irresistible classic. Absolutely delicious. Yum. Can't wait to burn that one as well. But again, it would make a really cute decor piece even if you're not burning these. So the next one I've got here is Very Vanilla. So again, it's the same packaging. Now, I absolutely love vanilla as a scent. That is hands down my favourite scent. And this is the one that I got in an Easter jar. So it is a really cute like frosted like pink sort of glass, but it does have an Easter bunny on the front there for Easter. So I did have this out for Easter, but we didn't burn it, thankfully. It is a double burner again. And if you are burning it after Easter, you could always just turn it around. Or if you really want to, you can take the little sticker off. But otherwise, it'd be a really cute display for Easter time. I love that you can reuse all of the jars of these. Like, they're absolutely amazing. And the lucky last item I picked up is a caramel cheesecake candle. So again, same packaging, really cute. Caramel, yum. I couldn't go past that. So again, this is another Easter one. So it comes in the ombre sort of packaging. Again, it's the white down below and then the blush sort of pink on top. It is a double burner again, but it does have Happy Easter on it. Now these are just stickers, so you can remove them if you don't want them on there, if you want to burn them outside of Easter. Otherwise, these would be really cute to display each Easter. Even if you have burnt the candle, you can always put, you know, some cute like gems in there or diamonds or something. You don't have to have anything in it. If you've got it up high enough, nobody can see in. So really, really cute again. It does smell like caramel cheesecake. Yum. It's making me really, really want sweets now. Now, can you tell what kind of scents that I like? I do love scents that are like edible or fruity. So I am super excited to get all of those items. I'm really, really happy that I purchased them. I can't wait to work out which ones are going to be my favorites. I will try and keep you guys updated in a vlog or a speed review style video later down the track when I have burnt them. But yeah, I'm just so happy about them. And if you are based here in Australia and would like to support local, then make sure you head over to KC Candle Creations. She's absolutely amazing. And I mean, the candles speak for themselves. They're absolutely amazingly scented and packaged. And the jars, I love that you can reuse them. If there's any other small Australian businesses that you would like me to feature or check out, let me know down in the comments, because I am trying to turn this into a series. So I'm very, very happy to support this small local business. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below, because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!